Martyn here, WWScenics, and today we're going to be doing weathering on the track that I laid and the Valley Diorama that I'm doing. But first, I'm going to show you a mess up and how it's fixed. Let's get into it. Okay, like I said, yeah, before we get into it, let me show you a little mishap that I did last time. So, if you remember the last video, I was ballasting and I kept the scenery in place, but I moved that, luckily, yeah, okay, while it was still wet. But I left that while it was still wet, and the issue that I got when it dried, yeah, it's stuck, well and truly stuck. Okay, so what I've done was done a little tester to make sure that I know what I'm doing. I pulled it off, right? Okay, but I didn't pull it because it would rip the bandage. So just to show you, if you ever do this mistake, right, literally get yourself a scalpel, yeah, just get under there, and then yeah, that's lovely. And this here, just in case any glue slipped. Okay, and then drag it across there a few times. Okay, and then lovely jubbly, it's off. Okay, so I'm going to move them out of the way because what we're going to go into is a bit of weathering, right? Okay, so I've already done some weathering on one of the tracks before. Okay, so I'm just going to literally go through this quite quickly. Right? Okay, so I'm just going to brush off any water. So this dust, this white dust and stuff like that, we're going to get rid of that, right? Okay, again, so this is the mistake that I've done. Yeah, you know what I mean. However, I did say that if I do a mistake, I'm going to show you how to correct it, right? So we've got here some of our weathering powders. Okay, yeah, you know what I mean. So, and a few of them I've done, right? So we got light rust and deep rust. So I'm going to go to deep rust straight away, right? Okay, so I'm going to use isopropylene. Yeah, so guys, if you are using isopropylene, make sure that you're wearing a mask, yeah, and you're in a well ventilated area. I'm in a nice big room in the shop, yeah, and I got the door open as well. I mean, so I can freely use it. We use isopropylene with it because, yeah, it dries really quick, it evaporates really quick, and it works really well with the weathering powders. Yeah, so I just keep adding it. You can see then I just add a little bit to the brush. Yeah, just add to the rails. Yeah, nice and quick. You know, I mean, I'm almost as quick as the video is going now. Yeah, just literally blend in. If it's too much, you could see me then, I just wiped it off with my finger. They are so forgiving, really are, right? They really are so forgiving. You know what I mean? You can literally, you know, you can wear the logos of this, like, you know what I mean? Once you've done it, nice matte varnish over the top, job done. Thank you very much on your logos. You can leave it like this if you wanted to, because this is my diorama. It's not very going to be touched on there. So a little bit of black soot now, yeah, on our new product, yeah, the line side ash, yeah. Again, just it'll dry that line side ash, yeah, you know what I mean. Carry on with a bit of soot again. Just literally, what we're doing is just to grime it up as much as we can, you know what I mean, because this is going to be a well overgrown. Metallic now as well, yeah, just to highlight some of the areas, yeah, you know what I mean, and just keep going, just keep blending in. A little bit of green, yeah, if you got green moss, yeah, lovely stuff. Yeah, see that little green mossy area? That's quite effective. I'm doing it nice and quick, because you guys have seen, you know, we might have seen the last couple of videos I've done a couple of these. Don't worry, the bits falling off is where it's stuck down, you know what I mean, but again, we can get rid of that. Right, looking pretty earthy, pretty grimy and stuff. Yeah, pretty cool. Right, now then, brand new product alert. Here we go. So this here, okay, is our brand new product. This is diesel oil spill. Okay, represents diesel oil